Here it is. Butter sauce first because we gotta do this. So this is so good, y'all. This right here, the butter sauce, y'all. Do that. The spice is crazy. What's going on tonight with these lobster shells? It's hot. I really want to take a bite from these lobster tails. Come on, give it to me. Tonight gonna be a struggle. I see that. But the sauce is so sweet.
My coconut butter sauce. My coconut butter sauce.
One thing I can say about hot Cheetos, king crab especially, butter sauce in it combination is bussin'. You know what? Let me go ahead and try some with the lemon. You gotta do it, hot Cheetos and lemon. Lime. That's a lemon. Lime. Oh my God. Okay. That's bussin'. Eggs. Hot Cheeto eggs. Dip it in that Alfredo sauce. Light jazz. Bam, bam. And we're gonna take a bite. Yo, this is so good. Guys, it's only been 2 minutes and I am starving, but I did have something to talk to y'all. This is plantains. We got pickles. Well, my version of pickles right here. Focus. There you go, right here. And we're gonna just put that like that. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Oh my God.
Can we just fill this room with thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
This is so good. I'm legit forgetting about the timer and just smash it. Bring tears to my eyes. One thing I can say about hot Cheetos, king crab especially, butter sauce in it combination is bussin'. You know what? Let me go ahead and try some with the lemon. You gotta do it, hot Cheetos and lemon. Lime. That's a lemon. Lime. Oh my God. Okay. That's bussin'. Every video, every channel that I have on all my social media platforms, literally my TikTok, my Instagram, my Facebook, literally everywhere. I've seen a couple of you guys and I just wanted to do appreciation because the love is real and I appreciate it. I appreciate y'all keep coming, supporting. I appreciate everything, y'all. Like I do 100%. I love y'all. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I'm not just saying it just to say it. I really do. We got this lobster tail here and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite of it. It broke apart. Wow, that's delicious. The way this Alfredo sauce is hitting right now. Wow. The giveaway that I'm gonna be doing, I haven't decided if I wanna give out an iPhone, a camera,